Okay, everybody, for writing this week, what you're going to do is draft your second informational paper. So this is what your slide looks like for today, and it will look similar the rest of the week. So today, Monday, if you need to finish any note-taking, go ahead and go to the library website or to Epic, finish taking your notes. Then you are watching this instructional video. It will be highlighted here, so you've done that. Then you're going to begin drafting your paper when you're done watching this video. Drafting is a fancy word that just means writing your paper. These video links over here, all these blue numbers or words, are links to help you organize your notes and turn them into a draft. So there's the writing checklist, which shows you all the parts of your paper you should have. A video about paraphrasing, which means turning your notes into your own words, so not taking someone else's words, but putting them into your own words. There are 3 videos about writing an introduction, 3 videos about writing conclusion, and 2 videos about text features. All of these videos are the same videos we used when we wrote our first informational paper. So, as an example, I took some notes on cheetahs. So this is my note-taking sheet. My topic is cheetahs. My subtopics: habitat, food, and it should say appearance here at the top, but it doesn't. And you can see my notes are very scribbled, and I've crossed things out, and I didn't make them neat in any way because these are just my notes. So what I would begin doing is taking these notes and turning them into paragraphs. So I'm going to have 1 paragraph about habitat, 1 paragraph about food that cheetahs eat, and a paragraph about their appearance. Oh, and then look, I listed some fun facts. So I might turn those into a paragraph, or I might have them just off on the side in a little box on my paper. And what I went ahead and did, so that you have an example, sorry, my dog's being weird, is wrote an introduction and conclusion. So here's an introduction example. Cheetahs are the fastest animals in the world. This is not the only interesting fact about cheetahs. For example, they don't need to drink water every day. Let's learn more about cheetahs. There should be a period at the end of that. There's an introduction. Now, I've talked a little bit about some of my facts about cheetahs, and I wrote a sentence at the beginning to help get the reader interested in my story, or my paper, I guess I should say. My conclusion: cheetahs are truly one of the world's most interesting animals. They run fast, have very muscled bodies, and live in difficult areas to survive in. You can learn more about cheetahs at nationalgeographic.com. So in my conclusion, I restated kind of my main idea that cheetahs are interesting, which is what I led with, interesting facts about cheetahs. And then at the end, I told the reader where they could go find more information about cheetahs. You do not have to write your introduction or conclusion just like this, simply an example. So again, what your work is for this week: take your note-taking page and start writing them into paragraphs. So a paragraph about this subtopic, this subtopic, this subtopic, introduction, conclusion. What I'm looking for is an introduction, a conclusion, and then at least a couple paragraphs in the middle. So if you only have 2 subtopics, that's fine. And when I would write my paper, I would list habitat as a subtopic heading, so I have a text feature. I would list food as a subtopic heading, so I have a text feature. And then I would probably include a picture near this paragraph here so people could see what cheetahs look like. And I might include a picture of a cheetah in its natural environment with this paragraph. So I might include 2 pictures about cheetahs as text features, and maybe even a diagram of the cheetah's body to show how muscly they are and what they look like, how long their tail is. So those text features to help my readers see the information. So that's what you're doing this week. Please come see me in my office hours if I can help you take your notes and turn them into paragraphs. Thank you.